One thing I've seen in a few YouTube videos of people using a table saw for the first time is freehand cross-cutting a piece of wood like this. And that's a really bad idea because it can cause a lot of kickback. I've never done it myself, but I'm about to try it and actually provoke some kickback. And I have a catch cloth behind my saw, so I'm not going to damage too much of the shop, so let's see what happens. Well, that was disappointing. I thought that workpiece would just go flying into this here. But maybe kickback isn't as easy to provoke as I thought it would be, but I'll try again with a wider piece of wood, see what happens there. Well, that was more like it. Not as spectacular as I thought it would be. The piece of wood was moving at a good speed, but not really fast enough to cause a lot of serious injury. The bigger danger is probably more if you're cutting like this and the piece starts to get away on you. If you're not intuitively aware of the danger here, you might be inclined to try to hold it down and get your fingers into the blade, and that's where the real damage happens. But even though I had a hard time getting kickbacks and they weren't that bad, you should never cross-cut freehand. Always use something like a miter gauge, which helps you hold the piece very steady, or even better, make a table saw sled, which will really hold the piece steady. And when it's in here, it really can't get away on you. Kickback is almost always a function of the piece starting to get at an angle and pinching the blade, and a sled like that will really prevent that from happening. So kickback in a table saw sled like this just doesn't happen.